In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Facebook lead ads to Pipedrive using Zapier. This simple automation tutorial will help streamline your workflow and ensure you never miss a lead. So let's jump right in. First, head over to Zapier's website and ensure you're logged into your account. If you're new to Zapier, it's a tool that helps you automate repetitive tasks between two or more apps, no coding required. Once you're logged in, the first thing you'll want to do is find the option to create a new Zap. Think of a Zap as a workflow or a sequence of actions that you want Zapier to perform automatically for you. Next, you will need to set up a trigger. Click on the trigger option, and in the search bar provided, type in Facebook. Select Facebook lead ads from the list. This will allow you to connect your Facebook account and let the magic of automation begin. If you're prompted to log into your Facebook account, go ahead and do that. Make sure that you grant the necessary permissions so that Zapier can access your leads. Once Facebook lead ads is connected, you'll need to specify the event that triggers this Zap. Here, we are aiming for something to happen every time a new lead is generated, so you should select New Lead as the triggering event. Click Continue once you've made your selection. Now it's time to connect these leads to your Pipedrive account. In the same Zap setup page, find and click on the Action option. This will get you ready to define what specific action should be taken once a new lead is captured. There's a search bar here as well. Type in Pipedrive and select it from the drop-down options. After selecting Pipedrive, the next step is to choose the action event, which tells Zapier what it needs to do in Pipedrive once a new lead is detected. Here, click on Create a New Deal. By doing this, every new lead from Facebook will automatically create a new deal in your Pipedrive account, helping you to keep track and manage them efficiently. Once you've made all your selections, you're almost done. Go ahead and click Continue. Take a moment to review your selections and to test your Zap to ensure everything is working smoothly. If the test is successful, congratulations! You've just set up an automated process that connects your Facebook lead ads with Pipedrive using Zapier. Remember, this automation will not only save you time but also reduce the risk of human error, ensuring that all your leads are correctly handled and followed up on. Thanks for watching and happy automating!